So we are here finally starting the day, or as usual Indians are always late. We are heading to waterfall जिसका नाम है Gudguda waterfall. So we are heading for the vlog. I mean for the waterfall. Sorry. We found a beautiful location and हम लोग यहाँ photos लेंगे. Just say this. This is so good.
So good. Oh my God.
भाई गांव वाला आ जाएगा ऐसे मत चिल्ला. Just गिरते गिरते बचा.
अच्छा वीडियो बना
ओ भाई साहब मारो मुझे. This place is I'm in love. हर लोग की तरफ फिर खो गए हैं. एंड मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या वो मीडिएटर जो है वहाँ, लैंग्वेज मीडिएटर जो हर बार की तरफ फिर मनीष टोपो बात कर रहा है. अब गुदगुदा खुद ही खो गए. कॉपीराइट लगेगा, चुप बैठ.
इसका कौन बोल रहा है?
चाचा गुदगुदा किनारे पड़वा पिछु पड़. ठीक अच्छा ठीक अच्छा. Good people bathing. Sundarbans, Odisha local.
Finally, we found the road with the help of some tribal people here, and we have reached the spot. Thankfully, tickets book कर लिया, parking slips वगैरह कुछ थे वो भी कर लिया, and now we'll be heading to the fall. And here are certain things written. I'll show you. Ruk, kindly, Manish, kindly read this.
ଜଳ नहीं उतारेंगे. ଜଳ ପାତ୍ର ଅଞ୍ଚଳକୁ ପରିଷ୍କାର ପରିଚ୍ଛନ୍ନ ରଖିବାରେ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରନ୍ତୁ ଏବଂ ଅଳିଆ ଜନାକୁ ଅଳିଆ ପକାନ୍ତୁ.
Enough.
ଶୌଚାଳୟ.
So this is शौचालय. भाई वहाँ तो जंगल है. अच्छा, sorry. Yeah, we have शौचालय right there. इसका मतलब पता है? इसका मतलब
टर्न ऑफ योर म्यूजिक सिस्टम, एंजॉय नेचर सिम्फनी. म्यूजिक बंद कर, नेचर का आवाज सुन बाबा.
Oh, English. Now this board says, this one, सावधान पानी क्रूणोरे डूबा ओ डूबिया ओ पाही. आपको यहाँ कैसा लग रहा है?
अच्छा लग रहा है. अच्छा है.
और कुछ बोलिए.
बहुत अच्छा है नहीं सही में अच्छा है। नहीं अच्छा है।
Kind of disappointed because last time जो बम खामन वाला झरना था काफ़ी ज़्यादा बड़ा था और they are saying that इससे भी ज़्यादा बड़ा है if we cross that mountain, but I think most probably we are not allowed. I'm not sure, just in case if you say like yeah of course people are allowed, I'm not sure, maybe allowed, but I see no way to go there. I don't know, we'll try, otherwise we'll get some shots. I brought my guitar, I'll sing some songs and we'll go. So, I'm going back to my car just to bring my guitar because झरना it's fine, उतना कुछ खास नहीं है एंड नहाने का जो प्लान था उसको मन नहीं किया मुझे एंड अभी गिटार कैमरा एंड देन एक्शन फोटोज एंड सॉन्ग्स probably nothing very special but yeah nice family visit, not like adventurous type लड़कों के लिए होता है. Oh, I think it's fine. I hope it's fine. And it is fine actually. Yeah. It's okay. बातें दिल की नजरों ने की सच कह रहा तेरी कसम तेरे बिन न लेंगे एक भी दम तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम तेरे साथ हो जाएंगे खत्म तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम.
एक मिनट पैकअप.
बाय बाय गुदगुदा.
मनीष कैसा लगा आपको यहाँ के?
तो इधर
देख के बताइए थोड़ा कैमरा का तरफ. ये क्या पकड़े आप हाथ में?
In life, we always come to the stagnant point where it's like you're in the middle of the ocean with a barely floating boat and you don't want to find land either. You just want to stay there because of the warmth given and taken by the people around you with whom you grew up, made memories and are still doing, those childhood buddies. Isn't it something that everyone needs to travel back in time with those people? An old group of lads that are going out to nowhere just to have fun, a long drive, to be more precise, of 260 kilometers up plus down, through forests, hills, waterfalls, gazing wild animals and most important, places where there's no proper internet connection. After all, it's not just about the destination, but the journey, with your guys sitting next to each other, singing, laughing, shouting, fighting, discussing about love and life. This is life, where every moment is climax and could take you to anywhere, where tomorrow is not promised. This is life, where everything that's happening is inevitable and out of control, where you have choices and each little choice that you make somehow impacts every damn person around you with different intensities, of course. And being human, all that matters is every moment should be filled with joy, with your own savage background music being played with whatever you do. Be it sunrise, sunset, full moon, no moon, rain or wind. Because you are special. Never forget that.